Hey, it's Ed here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for SP500 again, and today again focusing on smaller time frame instead of the macro. Again, we've gone through the macro multiple times, so check out the previous videos if you're interested in that. Still, from the daily time frame, I want to point out that this is the structure that I'm following at this moment the most, in which again we are looking for this as a W, 3 ways back into X, and then looking for a 3-way structure into that way Y. Overall, at this point, again, I do like the idea that we had a 3-way structure going up into that W up in these highs here of around 18th of April. 3-way structure to me fits the best. I've been telling that for quite some time. And then we had a potential ABC coming down. That's hit the 38.2 retracement, this light blue here. And again, that is the minimum I want to be seen. And since then, again, we had a very impulsive structure to the upside. If we are looking at a smaller time frame, we can be looking for this as a potential 1, 2, and some kind of 3-wave here, 4th and 5th. So I would be expecting one more high here to be made, potentially creating this as a 3-way structure, some kind of flat structure here, and then maybe one more up before a retracement to the downside. Again, here lies the opportunities for the bulls, I guess, at this point. And to me, this looks very decent. Again, this should be probably a sub-micro. But yeah, overall, I think, again, as we are looking for a 3-way structure here, I don't think this might not be the actual wave A. Because again, this is kind of small. If we're looking at 1-to-1 extension and comparing that to the possibility of coming back to, for example, here, golden pocket, we could be looking at something like this, 42.17, and that is nowhere near the 1-to-1 extension. So in my opinion, again, we might be creating a bit larger structure overall here. Either we are creating a 5-way structure like so, and then 3-way pullback, and then another 5-way structure. That would be getting us towards more of this channel that we have here, and again, that would fit a bit better. The other option of looking at this is a 3-way structure here, another 3-wave, and then a 3-way structure like so, and that is one other way of getting towards that 1-to-1 extension around $4,400 or a bit further out. The other way of looking at this, the other indices are looking quite similar. The one that I really like is Dow Jones at the moment, and this was something that I was joining before on the previous video, where we were looking for this again as a potential 5-wave. We had a high here on RSI on 1-hour time frame, and now we would be looking for some divergences to form. Again, could be a wave 4 like so to be formed, could be coming a bit lower for this previous wave 4 and find support there, and one more up high, and then we could be looking for this 3-way structure downwards. Again, Dow is a bit more bullish overall, depending on how you want to be counting this, either as an A, B, and C into here, or this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which would be part of that C wave, being this ABC, filling out that X wave, and then coming down way lower with potential 5 waves, as this would bring us a expanded structure instead of this WXY that I currently have. But yeah, both in my opinion are looking very bullish here on the short term. Let's take a look at Nasdaq, for example. Still, Nasdaq was the only one that allowed us to have a 5-wave here. It came down in 3, and now it's providing us yet another potential 5-wave. So again, this is something that I would be expecting and looking for a one more push up higher and then dump down a bit, potentially somewhere around 13.17 K would be an area of interest. And again, of course, it depends what kind of structure we're coming down with. But in my opinion, this looks very decent as well. Russell, the last one of these, is giving us as well a 5-way move. However, Russell is not the one that I would really like, because I'm not quite sure what this could be part of. There is a chance that we had some kind of ending diagonal here, where this would be an ABC, where this would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into here, and then we would have some kind of 5-wave off the lows. And again, that offers us a possibility for going long. At this point, again, we would be looking for a partner leg for this structure over here. I don't know what this structure is, however, and it's not really looking too 5-wave-ish, right? So again, this could be some kind of WXY or 3-way structure overall here. I have not traded at all Russell for quite some time because I'm not really a fan of this structure here. But overall, this would be something that we could be expecting at least. Russell is a bit different from other indices as it is way less bullish, and we are so far away from the all-time highs that it just, yeah, well, we can see here 29%. So yeah, it's really one of the least bullish assets or the classes at the moment, or the indices, sorry, of these all that I'm tracking. So not really fan of it. Other indices are providing setups at the moment for me, so not really interested in this too much. But yeah, I think those are the things that I'm currently looking for, and for this week and the early parts of this week, I guess, more so. So again, that's all. If you again made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes and the support you're giving me. Throw me a comment and a like on this video. Join the free Discord, and if you want to educate yourself again, check out the following advertisements. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye bye. Couple of advertisements here: Patreon Elliott Wave Basics course, weekly live streams and more Elliott Wave analysis. Udemy Elliott Wave Advanced course, including RSI, risk management, Elliott Wave strategies and time analysis, and counter trend capital, trade setups, education and community. Check us out if you're interested in learning more.